Good morning! How is everyone? For today, I gonna make chicken curry, my husband's favorite foods. Here is the ingredients. Chicken, I prepared last night, so I already make fry on. And this is potato. I already fried last night also. First, butter. Both, it's already hot. I put a little butter. Guys, I'm not good in cooking, just only for my husband, if he gonna like my food. But I'm sure he gonna like my food, because if he don't like, it is her choice. No more foods. I'm not gonna make joke. After the butter, onions, garlic. I already prepared before I make this video. And ginger. Correct me if I have, my words. Sorry. I love ginger, garlic. My husband too love. And I'm gonna put na the chicken. This is chicken from Lidl. Guys, this is only 2 person, but I made for 3 days. I don't know if my husband maybe only 2 days. Oops. It smells good. And coconut milk from Paella. We buy this from Paella. I love in oops, sorry. In Asia for the coconut milk is better. Sorry, Samili is barking. No, Samili, this is only for the washing. my husband is coming. Hast du schon Geruch, Honey?
No,
No?
I was sleeping.
Ja. After 5 minutes, 5 minutes, I'm gonna put the chili. Guys, this is the chili for my little garden. Oh, that is snail. Salt, it's up to you how many or how much do you like. Pepper, I love pepper. My husband not too much, but I like. So not too much. And garlic powder. I love garlic, so much better, more. And the fried potatoes. This is my own version of chicken curry. I hope my husband he gonna like it. One more minutes. Shout out to my cousin Luningning, happy birthday. On to my best friend Maribig, have a blessed birthday to all of you guys. On to all birthday celebrant today, happy birthday. Stay healthy and enjoy life. God bless you all. Now I smell the coconut milk. Curry from my parents-in-law. By the way, this is the kitchen of my parents-in-law. The on vacation. So I'm the owner of the house. Joke. Only if they are in vacation, I'm the owner. Curry powder. I need to shuttle. This is mix. Sorry. I'm not good in English. Oh my gosh. I hope somebody I'm not boring. Help me, guys. They smell make me hungry. Look, guys. Oh, yummy, yummy. One of my husband's favorite foods. I like also, but not really. My husband and I love foods. So that's why we love each other. Not only the foods. I love my husband because he is a family man. He loves my family in Philippines. He take care of my nanay. Hello, Maya. Come, Maya. I'm gonna taste it. The salt is okay. For me, the salt is okay. But I don't know my husband. He loves salty. Yum, yum. Which puppy? Pull puppy. Pull puppy. Pull puppy. Comes do? You taste the foods. And paprika, the last. Where's my man? He is the judge. about my food. How is be nice, honey, huh? You get the flies. On how is the
Wait.
only what? Why only is the sauce? No, did not see your face. How is
Sarap.
the how is the food?
Sarap.
Salt is is enough.
Yeah, you are love.
Oh, I'm in love to my husband. Oh, you're so lucky, or oh, you're lucky.
There's one more in love.
Oh, oh my Samili. Samili, she also in love. Samili, you want my food? Okay, guys, it's done. My husband judged na already. He said, "Yum yum." Yeah, he is my husband. If not, taste good my food, my chicken curry. Oh my gosh, no more cooking. Guys, yum yum. I hope you can taste also. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please thumb up. Thank you. God bless. Have a good day. Bye-bye.